BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Biomarin Pharmaceutical stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Now here's the key part here. I'm still going to stick to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. Tens of thousands of dollars have been invested in courses and mentors. But just looking at BMRN, like the only thing that's going to make me really, like, let's say, move forward, it's going to be a potential sell side if we break beneath 56.35, right? Because just recently I got stopped out at a break even in a sell opportunity. That was so believe, you know, like it's very good, but break evens got hit, and immediately, like where we're sitting here, when would Mr. Seiko be bullish though? Well, yeah, maybe if it starts breaking about $63-64, but ideally like above 73-74. In the meantime, you know, like I'm just looking at a broader picture, and there's no way I'm looking at this and be like, okay, I'm bullish, right? By any means. So I do have a bunch of receipts with BMRN with about 50 results. So if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.